Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're going to use ChatGPT to make a simple game in Python.
So today we're going to make a game called Scramble's Letter Guessing Game. So first I asked ChatGPT to create a simple game in Python that takes a list of words. Then it will show one of those words, both its letters scrambled, and then the player needs to guess the word within a limited number of tries. And then this is the code ChatGPT made me, but I wanted it to be more fun, so I also asked ChatGPT to add on to the game so that there can be 2 players, a limit of 5 guesses, and more words. So now that ChatGPT added more words, and now 2 players can play, so you can play with your friends, and you don't have infinite guesses. Okay. So let's review the code. First, we import a module called random so we can use some functions inside the module random. Then we're going to make a function called words with choose word. Then we're going to return the random.choice word. So we're going to, in this function, it's going to choose one of the words in the list so we can guess that word. Then we have another function called scramble word, and we have a variable called scrambled equal list word. And then we're going to shuffle the scrambled, which are the letters of the word, so it will be mixed up. And then we're going to return we're going to make it a string. Then we're going to have the main function game loop. So first we're going to create the word list. You can also change this list to whatever words you want. And we have 2 names, player 1 name and player 2 name. So the code is going to ask player 1 enter your name, and the same for player 2. Then you can enter the name and it will call you by that name. We're going to create a variable called chosen word with the function choose word, and then we're going to choose a random word from the list and store it in that chosen word variable. Then we're going to scramble that chosen word and mix up its letters, and we're going to store that word in the scrambled variable. Then we're going to print welcome to the Word-Scrambled game. Then I'll do player 1 name. So enter player 1 name and then player 2's name. You will take turns guessing the word.
So it's introducing the game right now.
Yeah. You have 5 guesses each. Can you unscramble this word? And then it will show the scrambled word. And then we're going to loop for turn and range 1 and 6. We're going to print what turn it is. Then if turn is 2 equals 1. We're going to do player a name equals player name. So we're going to figure out which player's turn it is. So if it's player 1, then it will print player 1 and then player 2. And then we're going to do player guess equals input. Then we're going to enter the player name, whoever's turn it is, and then your guess. And then we can put our guess in there. In that variable. Then we're going to check if our guess is the chosen word. So if it is, we're going to print congratulations, then whichever player got it right, you guessed the word correctly. So here it's kind of a team game, and you have to work together to guess the word. Then we're going to break if it isn't the chosen word. We're going to else. If turn is less than 5, that means instead of turns left, we're going to print oops, that's not correct. And then we're going to give the player name. You have 5 minus whichever turn it is, so you can get the turn it actually is, guesses left. Else, if we have 5 turns, we're going to print sorry. And then player, you've used all your guesses. The correct word was, and then we're going to show the word. And then here we're going to actually run the function. So now let's see the code here in Visual Studio Code. Now we're going to run it. So do you want to be player 1?
Wait, it's...
Oh yeah, okay. Create the terminal, and then we're going to do py scrambled letters game. Okay, do you want to be player 1?
You.
Okay, I'll enter my name, and then Kalia will enter her name, and then Andrew and Kalia, you will take turns guessing the word. You have 5 guesses each. Can you unscramble this word? So it's a pretty long word. RAGIROMPMGM.
Should we look at the list of the words or not?
That'll be too easy, cause
But there's a lot of words.
You should not know the words.
Okay.
Okay, what should we guess?
Program.
Program.
No.
Oops, that's not the correct word, Andrew. You have 4 guesses left. So what's
Wait,
your
programming.
Programming. Congratulations, Clay. You guessed the word correctly. Okay, so now let's play it again.
So our list of words are involved in Python and
And
coding.
And coding. Okay, so everyone enter our name.
You can
now
do any
can you
name.
unscramble this word? AILEVRAB. Let's see.
I think I know what it is.
I do not know what that is. Do you know what that is?
Yes.
What is it?
I think it's variable.
Oh. Congratulations, me. I guessed the word
Hey,
correct.
you asked me.
Okay, how about this?
Okay.
You can also make this a 1-player game with 10 guesses. Or you can change the number of guesses. I'm going to change the words, okay?
Okay.
You don't look. Don't look. Okay. Let's see.
You done that?
No. I'm going to do let's see. And we're gonna check. Okay.
Done that?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Enter your name.
Just enter my name.
I didn't add that many words because
Okay.
I'm kind of in a rush. Okay, what's the player 2's name? ... Okay. Can you unscramble this word? REERIETETNN.
That's gonna be hard. I don't know. Internet? I don't think it's internet.
Internet. It is. Okay, then do it again.
Okay.
Player 1, enter your name.
Just do anything.
Clone.
Okay.
UYE.
YouTube.
Okay. Maybe they were too easy because they are related to this. But you can change it and add a bunch of words.
Like a bunch, so your friends will be mad at you.
Yeah. Okay, well that was fun.
And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.